This is another method of making e-class, and I have devised this method and I call it as a pre-write window method. So for fun friends, I am known as DGK, so I call it a DGK's window method of showing the demonstration. So what is this? This is a simple opaque material which I have cut. You would have a lot of files with you. You cut a window just like I have done here. This is a window. And what do? I pre-write whatever is my material here. It may be theory, it may be problems. So these are typed, pre-written, and I insert it here. Okay. So initially, how does the window look? The window will look plain like this, and our mobile will be focused only here, which will show you after some time. And then I will preload this, pre-written. I'll preload it, and I'll focus the camera only on this part and go on explaining with the help of a highlighter. So people who are not technology savvy, I want to do things in a little more organized way and in a little more eased way. This would be a wonderful method, and we'll see how this can be recorded after this pause. So I have light here which focuses on this window, and I have a highlighter, and I will focus the mobile onto the material here like this, and when I write, so there won't be any shadow of my hand onto the paper, and it will be very easily captured. See how this will happen now with the pause. Hello friends, today we are going to talk about recent trends in research, and I am Dr. D.G. Kulkarni talking to you about the latest innovations. So what is latest happening in this world? Latest happening in this world is digital innovation. This is a very important topic, and we are going to learn a lot about it after some time. Dear friends, you must have noticed that this camera is slightly shaking because I'm holding the camera in my left hand. I'm trying to write with the right hand, so this camera becomes a little shaky. So what you require to do is you require to have a camera stand, or you have to see that you have some method of keeping the camera stationary, and you have to lock the screen. What happens if I don't lock the screen? I will just show it to you. Now the screen now is unlocked and the focus is on digital innovation, but the moment my hand comes here and it goes back, you will see that the screen is going up and down, whereas you focus your screen or your camera on a paper and you keep your finger close on that, so it will show you a locked icon on your screen. That means the focus is locked. Now if I take the hand front and back, you see nothing is happening. So friends, this is the small method that I innovated to teach my student, and I call it DGK's pre-written window system of presenting. Hope you like it. Thank you.